Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make fried chicken momos. It's a very delicious recipe. I hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Before moving on to the recipe, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. So let's get started the recipe. First of all, in the food processor, add 1 cup of maida, add salt as much as required, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add some water as much as required and mix it to a dough. Rest the dough for 15 minutes. In another pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add 250 grams of minced chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 chopped onions. Add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half teaspoon of pepper. Add half teaspoon of lemon juice. Add some coriander leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and mix it well. For making the momos dough, do it as shown as in the video. Fry the momos till it turns to golden brown color. Now our delicious fried chicken momos is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do try this in your home and give your valuable comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another recipe in another video. Until then, thank you for watching.